In this video, we are going to see how we can generate and view reports in Nexleon CRM. Just log in as admin. In reports, go to sales reports. This provides the sales reports, that is invoices, items, payments, credit notes, proposals. All the monetary reports can be found here. In invoices, these reports can also be exported as Excel, CSV, printed, and PDF. We can filter from here according to the statuses, according to the sale agent. In expenses, we can view the expenses reports. Also, we can see the detailed report from here and export them. Next, we have expenses versus income. This is the basic bar diagram, expenses versus income. From here, we can generate the leads related reports. Also, we can view the timesheet reports and export them. Also, we can view the votes on our knowledge base articles. So this is how we can generate and view the reports in Nexleon CRM.